with the key shirt and change voice. So 1, 2, 3, ding, 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 ding.
But it is the Rusev Elite Series 65. The Bulgarian Brute Rusev Day. Comes with the shirt, as Ryder said, the key to the city. Not sure what that says. Got the interchangeable hands here as usual. The True Effects head scan. Got Rusev on the back. Got Rusev, of course.
Nia Jax.
Yep, Nia Jax, Ronda Rousey, Rusev, Roman Reigns, Eric Young, and Aiden English. Actually, at the Walmart we picked this up at, they had, I think they had almost all of this. See, they had Ronda, Rusev, Roman, yeah, Eric Young, and Aiden English. The only one we was missing was Nia Jax. Huh?
Yeah, we got her. And they came with the microphone.
Yes, but we didn't get him. We got this guy.
Yeah, that
Mark your calendars. The Lion of Bulgaria has a new holiday. When is it? Every day, because every day is
Rusev Day.
Rusev Day. Who taught you how to read, kid?
Watch this.
Watch this. All right, get the unboxing.
It's okay if I say Rusev now.
You can call him Rusev. Don't let it whoop you, boy.
Rusev.
Do you need my help? I guess that's a no.
I think that's trash.
You're so delicate. Ow, gosh.
What?
That almost, look, that cut me. Look at that cut I got on my finger. Hold on. Ah.
Let me see.
Oh, well. I'll put a Band-Aid on the boo-boo later.
Let's do it. Do stuff.
There's background right there.
Background, we don't need that.
This is from 2018, Rusev. Gosh, getting some blood flow right there. Look at that. Daddy's just being a big wimp right now. That really hurt though.
Here's the
Rusev Happy Rusev Day T-shirt.
Yeah.
Goes on Rusev right here. We got the looks to be the Velcro. Thank you.
Here, I got the referee hands.
Why are you calling them referee hands?
Because I got some. 1, 2, 3. Got those stuff.
The right hand.
Left hand.
Left hand.
Left hand.
It is odd that both of his hands are just like, it's like the John Cena like.
You can't see me.
You can't see me.
I'm trying to get Rusev out of here.
Oh. Tripod fell over.
Trying to get Rusev out of here.
Hold on. Let's not break the key.
Not break the key.
Oh, I was about to say, don't tell me he's locked in.
Yeah, it was just like that Big Boss Man video. I thought it was gonna be like that one. Whoop! We backwards like that. No.
That is another big figure.
Yeah.
It's like the Braun Strowman. You know how that Braun Strowman's big and thick?
Which one? The Elite one?
Yes.
And the, what can we call it?
I think it was a Mark Henry Ruthless Aggression figure that we have. It's pretty big. Let's take a look at the key.
Lock your face.
See it. I think this was when they presented him.
And that Jax is big also.
I think this is when they presented Rusev the key to the city on the episode of SmackDown.
But doing the Machka kick.
The what?
Machka kick.
So this Rusev does not look impressed. He looks like he is not happy to be here right now. Looks like he could be somewhere else.
Here right now. Yeah.
Got some chest hair growing in right there. Got the Rusev Day
Got the Rusev
on the waist of the tights.
Hey, Rusev Day.
Got, what does that say, Ryder?
What?
What's that say? on the side of his boot? Mashka.
Mashka.
Got that on both sides of his boots.
Yeah, you wanna see this?
Hold on one second. Let's take a look at the tattoo on the back. Got the
On this arm.
see, there we go.
We gotta put on these
Say
hands.
Bulgaria.
And the key and the
Like I said, a pretty big,
shirt.
thick Rusev. I mean, good night.
shirt is not even ripped just
That
like
thing
that.
is big. You want to put the shirt on him right quick?
Yep. And the interchangeable hands, I want to put those on. First, we gotta interchange the hands.
You got to interchange the hands. Set the tripod up.
Interchange this hand. Get these Joseph hands off.
Here, I'll help you out right quick. All right, let's see.
Hear me do it.
He looks like the
American Giant.
he looks like the grumpy cat. You know, the meme, the meme on the internet. I think that's what it's called. Is that what it's called, Angela? The grumpy cat?
I think it's like the grumpy cat or the note cat.
Nope,
Yeah.
cat.
Whatever. Rusev
Nope, cat.
looks very similar to him.
Yeah, like,
Let's get him dressed
here's
up.
the keys. I'm gonna lock your face.
All right. Gosh, his shirt looks like it's barely gonna fit.
Yeah, just like that Mark Henry suit.
Okay, there we go. There we go. That's why it wasn't fitting. Whoa.
I'll skip the key.
Hold on a second. Come on. Come on.
Come on, do stuff.
Something does not look right about this Rusev.
Yeah, it does.
It does.
Let's put the
Put the key. Wait, how are you gonna put the key in his hand?
like.
Ryder, look at his hand. It doesn't even look right.
Oh, fell out. Watch you gotta stab his face.
Why would you stab his face? This is wrestling. This is not.
No, look, I was just doing this.
This is not 300.
Yes, it
What do you think of him? Do you think the head scan looks cool besides him being extremely bored looking?
is. Yeah, he looks bored.
He's just, like I said, he is not having it, it looks like. Hold on. Let's
do the hands.
I want to try to do a side-by-side comparison of Rusev
Do stuff.
and the Grumpy Cat. See the similarities there? Oh, there you go.
Drop the key, D.
That's going to be it for this video, everyone. You know, as usual, be sure to follow Ryder on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook at what? What's your handles?
Rowdy Ryder Reviews.
Good job. Well, be sure to like and subscribe, leave a comment. Let us know what you want to see us review here in the future. That's going to be it for us.
Bye.